Yeah. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hopefully, you guys having a great start of your morning. Hopefully you have. If you're not watching it live, hopefully you had a great, wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, night. Every time y'all watch this, thank you, Lord, for waking us up today, so that we continue going after our dreams and all our goals. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. As always, let's get into the video. So I already have everything set up. Again, the way you guys go ahead and see how you could see what happened at 9:30 opening gap is by clicking all the way down to your right side and hitting regular trading hours. Like that, you'll be able to see the gap. So we could see here that on ES we had gap into discount, and as well for NQ gold we had gap into premium. So love how we have a good amount of space between yesterday's close and today's open. So good. I did switch up a little bit in terms of trading NQ. I'm gonna be focusing on trading ES and gold. I do like NAST. It's just that right now she just moved a little volatile, and I want to give her a little space for the simple fact that she has been moving a lot back and forth. ES just moved very efficiently. Yes, she has her back and forth, but not like NAST. NAST be having her moment. So let's get into the video. Alright. Alright, so we end up going higher yesterday, but we did reach the level that I told you guys for NQ and ES. For gold, she just dove inside the 9:30 opening range gap. She didn't get the filled, and she just ran up higher. We are currently right now above a volume imbalance, inside a volume imbalance on the daily for both here and here. For NQ, right now currently she's inside a inverted daily inversion in between this daily inverted FUG and volume imbalance. Currently it's still open, so based how we go about today, if we close below, then I'll remove this and just have the volume imbalance highlighted or so. I did mention how we going down lower, we're just gonna run into a lot of traffic, and sorry about that. Alright, so I did mention how going down lower was gonna be us going lower is going to be very high resistant because of a lot of traffic, and we have a lot of volume imbalance together, a lot of PDRAs together, we could say. So I don't want to see her move down lower. If she is going to move down lower, I'll let her go so she could build some liquidity so that we could go ahead and retrace on that. Otherwise, it's not going to be thing. Yo, what's good, bro? So, you trading right now, then?
I'm watching the market, trying to see what's up.
Yeah, cause I'm going over it right now. Low key, bro. I do like NQ could go lower, but I'll let her go. so she could build some liquidity, because going down lower, bro, and us trying to catch the trade lower is gonna be a lot of back and forth. And the daily, that shit look crazy, huh?
I didn't take that buy because I was waiting for it to take the lows of 750.
Mm.
I want to take those lows, but if I see like this they use this as an FBG as a support or whatever.
Yeah.
After if it goes above like 19,892, I may take a buy. I wanted it to. I thought it was gonna go and take the lows from Thursday.
So I'm saying, bro, lately this shit been acting crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Right now, I'm only gonna be trading ES and gold. NQ, I'm gonna let it go for right now because she needs space in terms of when trading it. She gives a lot of back and forth movement, and ES it's more like precise. She gives the retracement, but not like a big retracement like NQ be doing, bro. She be wilding sometimes.
This nigga Patrick Paul took the buy as soon as it like opened up and shit. He got like 10 points or whatever.
Patrick different, bro.
Nah, he got nice though.
Yeah, he different though.
he making fucking crazy moves.
He got mad firms. I know that for a fact.
No, I'm saying crazy money he making.
Oh yeah, I seen the shorts, bro. He be kicking up right now. Right now, he drowning in bread right now.
And the way he started, like when he started from like nothing, he literally started his YouTube channel when he didn't know nothing about trading. He just like took people through his whole fucking journey and shit.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie. He probably like was like 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Nah, he been doing it for like 7, 8 years.
Oh, okay. He be on this shit though. Now right now I'm just looking at right now price, because we did gap into premium for gold and discount for NQ. So right now you see that level you sent me a picture of. I had marked it yesterday, and it came right to it. So I'm looking at that. The fact that it came into it. If she does go any lower, I want to see that 1 hour get filled, bro. And then I'll be looking into like the
what you said?
yeah, the 1 hour that you marked up, that you sent me a picture of. I marked it yesterday, and it came right to it. And if it goes any lower than that, instead of going higher, then I'll be looking to the Wednesday 30th. Yeah, Wednesday the 30th, 8 a.m. inverted FEG. That's a nice area that she could bounce to because of the aggression that we traded to through the CIBI. So that's a good area. And that's the reason why I highlight that 1 hour that you have marked up, because how aggressive it traded to and through that CIBI that turned into an inverted FEG. That's what, when you start seeing shit like that, bro, that's when money be's at. Like when it gets traded through and through, like aggressively, that's the level where we could go ahead and look at, because money is in there. So whenever price come back in there, we're gonna get some sort of rejection. Whether it's big or small, still gonna be some sort of rejection. Let me see what we get with the news today, cause sometimes they be adding news. Oh yeah, just PMI. Huh?
What time do you get into work?
Oh, at 2, I leave. That's why I only trade from 10 to 11, and then I just catch
Work at 2 o'clock to what time?
to 10. Yeah, and then I just take the train. I like around 12, 18.
I like that. Fuck. What you said, bro? That you take the train what?
I take the train like around 12, 18. Get some time.
You see, I like that. That one, I was waiting for that 5 minutes to get hit at the FBG.
Oh yeah, it came to. I see that. What time was it? So at 9:30 we went down. We swept down some lows. So I'm gonna look at, huh?
I'm waiting for some confirmation there before I do anything.
Yeah, see if that should get filled or not. If it get respected, then you can see what's up. That could be a good move. So it could be what's up. It could be go up. Plus about in 4 minutes, we're about to get some sort of reaction right now. Ain't gonna lie, we have 1 hour here. Let me see. Do we have anything else to fill? You see, bro, it's messy work right now. That's why we need news at 8:30, gang. But if she does go lower, bro, I'll favor it too. I would definitely do, cause we already dipped into the 9:30. So usually, if it dips into it, then I'll look at the high time frame to see if it's gonna get filled or not. So going down lower, it wouldn't seem bad either, bro. Like I said, into that area that I'm looking at. Let me see how we got. Yeah, both of them already dipped into it. I mean, all three of them, sorry. Let's see how we look on the we inside volume and balance for gold. If she goes higher, then it makes sense, because you're above the 50% of it.
I could go down to those lows and shit.
That's what I'm saying. I'm about to mark up that low right now, that sell side for NQ, just in case, because it could run that low and then reject. Oh, it ran to and through. 48.25. Sell side.
I want to wait for that 950. I want to wait for a close. If I wait for a close, it closed right there. Oh, you said there's no PMI at 10 over.
Yeah, for CAD. That's what I'm saying. Hopefully, it could, give us some sort of move. Even though it's not USD, it's still CAD. I mean, even though, it's still CAD. Some move a little bit. It's an orange folder. That 5 minute on ES is gonna get filled. Let me see how it looks on NQ.
Yeah, it took off and got around the FPG.
Yeah.
Once we go for more liquidity.
Usually, something I'm also back testing is seeing her not come all the way down to, like, for example, busy, not all the way down, like into it. If not, just hit the 50% and just wick the bottom below.
Yeah, it wants to go for that. It wants to go for that.
That sell side, yeah, it's near it too.
The 30 point almost. So.
I mean, but look at it too, bro. You could, if you want to get in it, like a retracement back into that inversion could be a move.
I like the upside more than the downside. Because there's not a lot of downside that could possibly be. It could just possibly whoop, and then boom, go all the way up. So I'd rather just wait for a better I'm not really trying to, like, just say rush this shit more than that.
Nah, yeah, you see, bro, I'm not even like that. Maybe you're about to run into it, bro.
I'm gonna make this shit. Like,
yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying?
Stupid shit here and there, like I'm a human being, but.
Tú sabes, loco, 300 pesos ahí, bro. In a week, that's 1,005, you know? Kick up and shit. Ain't crazy. One thing I gotta do is get my viewers up a little bit on when I go live. Like, I gotta know what time people get on. Cause I'm in traffic right now with other people too, like Patrick, like Tanya. I'm in traffic with them folks.
Oh, you watch Patrick now?
No, I'm saying like they go live is around the time I'm live too.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're about to reach Southside. Can't make no coffee because I got no sugar.
I don't have coffee right now. It finished. I'm drinking hot chocolate.
Chocolates. Ain't gonna lie, I gotta leave that coffee, get on that tea vibe.
Yeah, me and my girl been drinking tea.
That tea. That's what it is at, man. Do we have anything to fill higher for gold? Cause gold, I like how gold took out some equal highs.
You like how gold take the one side?
Took buy side on the she took out equal highs.
Okay.
So let's see. Yeah, but see, bro, tú sabes on that right now, on the ES and on Gold Wave, cause they move they move slow, but you can calculate good the risk management and everything. But I'm gonna get back into NQ though as time goes. It looked like we're about to reach sell side first on NQ. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Give me that shit.
We still inside another 1 hour. So after we being so we trading below it, we still inside another one. So we'll love for it. If she's gonna go lower for the Wednesday the 30th to get filled, the busy. Should be trading in it. She already in that bit. Do we have anything filled to fill? See, nah. If she gets into that, bro, below, then she could definitely just run through that area I'm talking about. Cause there's nothing in there to her to like reject from or filled. Let me see something. Kind of above. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm not even gonna be worried about that 1 hour busy that I'm talking about right now. Cause if she wants to go lower than that, she will. We got like 5 more minutes, so I'm gonna be paying attention to that 1 hour busy from yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, from the first. I'm not May 1st. The one you marked.
Yeah.
So depending how we have it here, cause I don't have the 1 hour mark that you have. I got the invert FEG next to it. So
Yeah, it took out that sales.
yeah, listen. Did he even come back? No, it didn't even bother to get nobody. Yes, still have not. So far, am I liking anything on gold? Got like 3 more minutes to see. Yeah, with those 3 minutes, I definitely see. I could definitely see her closing below. she's still below that 1 hour. So if she stay below that 1 hour, bro, I won't be surprised she continue going down lower at all. Two more minutes, see how we react. Man, 14.25. 27.25.
Gold is setting the mix.
Oh, we gotta just pay attention, see what's up. Cause one of them is gonna do what it's supposed to. $18.75, 54. I gotta order some shoes because the shoe that I have for work, I gotta get new shoes for work because the one that I have is messed up. So Friday I gotta order some. I tengo que poner dos medias, loco. Porque me tengo que poner dos medias hoy.
¿Por qué?
Porque está mojado esa parte. It's waterproof, but I wore them out. Alright, so we did close below. Okay. So I won't be surprised if we do end up moving lower, bro. What's the low? This inversion. 511. Yeah. Like it became an inverted FUG, so let's just see if she's gonna continue on lower. If she do, I'm gonna let her go. 307. Is it 307 25? 75. I'm marking that area I was talking about that had occurred at 8 a.m. on Wednesday, April 30th.
It's going down now, bro.
Baby, are you down, 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 down? 62.75.
Now it's gonna come and use it as a what? Another SPG? Which one has that? Nasdaq is out for the kill today.
That's how she been moving lately, bro. It's crazy. Nothing of surprise. Nothing of surprise, brother. But she is rejecting, so looking to see.
She is doing a busy whatever.
Yeah, let me see. Let me measure on the Fibonacci on the 5-minute. That 945. I'm gonna mark it. That inversion that occurred at 9:30. I'm gonna mark it.
Oh, she is doing what
Cause if she's gonna go higher, then you're gonna see it very soon. 1975.
Nigga.
And the high. 802.25.
Yeah, she struck the 4-hour, which I did have that mark. She go. Yo, con un little 60 coin.
Yeah, bro, that's what you need, bro. That's what I used to do before. So that's why I created a compound plan, bro, so I could get on that flow and not look for like crazy moves. Cause right now the market is not moving its best. Just rejected off that. Still looking for higher pricing. Want some extra confirmation to see on the 1 minute. Let's see if she is gonna go lower. Looking at that 10:01.
I took 360 right there.
Well, on the up, down move or up?
Yeah, the move up.
Yeah, bro, might look into that.
Cause I took a little quick buy.
I might try that buy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna get into this buy right here.
Because it is paying around like another FPG. Right now, it's gonna buy up, okay. I need to wait for like good confirmation.
Took a little small buy, see what's up. Cause that applies to my model, so. Took a 5 micro.
I took 2 conscious. Good.
Let's see. I said if she do decide to go the other way, then I don't know. But right now I'm following. Let's just see.
Wow. That shit wake me up. What the fuck?
Your stop loss.
Yeah.
Still respecting the 5-minute. If that 1 minute gets taken out, then I'll look into it. Risking 150 on this one though. Do like how we on the 1 minute it swept below some lows and then it expanded. NQ looks good how she did it. So gold not really doing much, just going higher. Nice inverted area here. Let it continue. Let's just see.
So I had lost, right? I had won, and then I took a loss, but then I got it again, and I'm back. I'm at 50,610. I'm gonna leave right there for right now. Because it took me out with a little wick on a fast little shit. But I think I have to just adjust my stop loss. Wow, it would have got me out with a fucking $1,000, but I got out with 700.
Ah bien, bro.
I'm good. I was like, yo, I cannot go until. Well, the good thing is we're seeing this, we're seeing it. Estamos mirando, estamos viendo, estamos a eso.
Telling you, bro, that's how you gotta do it. Right now, the reason I took a buy is because it applies to my model, the 930. That's what I was using yesterday. So I definitely want to see that 5-minute that we currently trading into and get traded through, and two, that's gonna help us move. I have a target in I have a 1 hour target and 1 hour CB.
Yeah.
Let's see, bro, cause
yesterday I could have got out with 500, almost 600, but I would be like, oh, I wanna hit my TP.
Nah, yo, bro, take it partial, bro. Don't do that.
That's right now. So you know what? Let me just. We also finishing our macro right now.
Get into that macrino. I'm just putting my sell limit in place, and I'm about to move my stop loss up. That's good then, bro. If you up, that's what I'm saying, bro. Slow and steady, building that account, get into it. I'm gonna be honest, that's all that really matters. I didn't get the best entry because I was trying to calculate the my risk, but I did get into it.
But you don't do the trade thing right here where like you can put your stop loss, you can put how much you want to risk to trading.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like I'm trading on TradingView.
I understand, me too.
Yeah.
I just use the trade button where like I could put the take profit whatever is fast right here.
I'm gonna take one off here. Yeah, I'm gonna take. Nah, I only got a 5 micro right now because I'm risking 160 to gain. Damn, I'm trying to figure that out. Cause I know 10 is $12.50, so I put a 5, so that's like I'm risking like 6. So it's like $6 per point to get basically about 400-500 bucks. So I took it took another micro out. I'm about to move my stop loss a little higher. My overall target is 5,643. That's a whole 1 hour. But once it gets into that area, I want to I'm gonna take that off because it's not gonna be a 5. I'm gonna do, let me see, that's 1. It's gonna take another one. That's gonna be 2 left. So I want to leave a runner. So I'm gonna have 1 runner. And then currently right now, I move my stop loss a little more in. I'm looking at to see how we trade. We got like 2 more minutes on this 9:45 a.m. candle. Seeing how we move. Still got room a little bit to fill in for the 9:30. I'm basically going for the high of 7 a.m. of 7 a.m. Anything, yeah, anything else after that, I'll probably be going into like yesterday 3 a.m. Yeah.
To be honest, I
That's
liked it. I should have kept it and kept on using FPGs as a support. So
Man, I want her to close though through this 5 minute. Like that 5 minute get closed up, Gucci.
but I already took out that stuff. Oh yeah,
Nah, not yet. Like I want it to close. That's why I like trading. That's why I'm gonna be trading ES and thing, bro, because we did get a good move on NQ. Don't get me wrong. But those type of moves like that, gang, like you gotta think. Cause look, if I was to take that, then I'll be risking. If I want to risk the whole thing back, then I'll be like I'll probably be risking to the 50%, like 50 points. No, 50 ticks. So I'm looking at about like 2 something. But I gotta split that so it could be like 160. So I'll probably go in there with like 3 or 4 micros.
For what?
For NQ, if I was to trade it. Cause I'm telling you, bro, I'm big on risk management now, bro. So that when I go and trade the funded account, I'm gonna keep that same mindset. Cause I'm gonna trade it on Thursday. Like for NQ, if you could get, for ES, if you could get like a good one, bro, you could put like a 19 micro, bro. And I'll be risking $160 to gain 1,000. Alright, so currently right now we are rejecting, but what I'm gonna do is we already close on that inversion, so I'm gonna move that 5-minute inversion. I'm gonna place that 5-minute civvy that we're currently trading in. The high 6, the low 28.75. Yeah, bro, I trade with no emotion now, gang. Like I don't feel that shit. Okay, we got like 3 minutes left on this current candle on the 5-minute. I do have a sell limit on the high of 939, and then I'm gonna have one micro running just in case if she wants to go and expand, and that's gonna be me trailing my stop loss. Looking at 19,909.75 on NQ for the high. Cause that's like the high of the that's the last inefficiency in the upper quadrant. If that inefficiency get taken out for NQ, then we're gonna see higher movement. Bro, watch that video I told you, bro, when you have a chance today. Like, it's gonna open your eyes. I got my stop loss at break even. Is it at break even? Hold on, because I don't want her to do this bullshit. I put it in profit, but we good money. Okay.
But try to see how you can go get back to do a regular contract because.
Oh, he just took. Oh, shit. Nah, bro. I told like 160 for the account, bro. We get 3K for 50K. If you do 160, you have a chance to trade for 500. You have a chance to do $500 that I could be messing with the whole day, literally. If I do 160, it allows me to do three what's it called? Yeah, like it allows me to do like 3 trades if I need to. And then from there, that's my confidence is gonna be growing from. You know what I mean? Like my confidence is gonna be growing from like that. And then I'm gonna be like, okay, I could risk 1,000. I could, you know what I'm saying, for 3K, that's valid. But I know that on this account get funded, I'm gonna go back to trading like this. So why not just continue trading like that? I'm gonna get a crazy trade where I'm gonna be able to, like, for example, if I would have got into the trade exactly at 10:04 when she dove in, I would have been risking 12. I would have put a 19 micro. 19 micro. That would have been less than 160. But I caught the move a little late. So I ended up, my stop loss ended up being about 30.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm up 64 ticks right now. NQ, I would have been up 300. Nah, that would have been 352. I would have been super. Nah, I took ES. I only have ES and trade and gold on my trader bot.
Yeah, you got on ES where like
Oh,
617, right?
yeah, like it was basically me getting into the I wanted to get into the FUG around the FUG that occurred at 10:01 on the 1 minute, but it left me trying to calculate the moves because gold is not really moved, huh?
NAS is going crazy.
Bro, look at ES, bro. They both doing their shit.
Huh?
Look at ES, bro. They both doing their shit. And she about to get to the area I want to get her to. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm trying my stop loss.
Yeah, got to that 7 flag.
Yeah. Oh, wow, look, I'm up 300. See, bro, this is what happens when you stop worrying about the money. I thought it was only up like $100.
I just wish I could get my office back. Like that, I could trade that.
Bro, so start small, bro. Like I'm saying, buy. I'm gonna send you what I have, bro, because the desktop that I have is $125 at Walmart, bro.
I'm talking to my girl, bro. I have a whole big ass screen. I'm telling her like I wish I could get my office back.
Nigga, go on Amazon, bro. Amazon be having some good specials, bro. Get, a ti te gusta? You like standing?
Bro, I got big screens. It's my
No. I'm talking about desk. You like standing?
Yeah, a little bit. I have a good desk.
I'm gonna send you a desk that you could, if you want to stretch out, you could click a button and it could go higher.
Bro, because my girl uses my office. I have everything in the office. I just can't use it because she works from home.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Get you this one. This one is not big. It's just plain and simple, like a regular desk, and you can click a button to go up and down, and like that you have 2 desks.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what's up. I need to see how we can make it better, but I need to buy a new crib. That's like,
A new crib?
yeah, nigga.
I felt that, bro. Cause yeah, you was telling me you got a big family now. No, yeah, el paso loco. But I'm gonna look into the thing, see if I can find it. Yo, gold's not really moving too much, bro.
Yeah, gold's just going up and down.
Currently up about. I mean, the goal is 500. So once my shit hit 500, bro, it will take me out automatically.
Yo, gold moves a lot overnight though.
Yo, bro, I thought I was tweaking, bro. I
That
thought
shit
I
moves
was
more
tweaking,
overnight.
huh?
That shit moves more overnight than in the day.
You seen how it move at 9 p.m., bro? At 9 p.m., bro, we had she shot up. Let me see. I can show. I can see right now, bro. She shot up,
That shit moves after, bro. Nigga, that shit moves fucking.
bro. 593 ticks, bro.
You know how much we could have made overnight, nigga?
Bro, I thought I was tweaking, bro.
If I trade, I'm gonna trade that shit overnight.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We could that schedule some shit like that, bro. But that means that I won't be trading the next day. I'm gonna be honest.
No, there's people that trade the night and then they say you be like, okay, I can't trade tomorrow morning, we trade the night. Boom, that's it.
Cause what's it called? I ain't gonna lie, we could schedule a time, bro. You just gotta know during the week before, like on Sunday. Yo, we gonna do it on this time, on this day, or you know what I'm saying? Depends, cause we don't want to overdo it either. But I'm down, bro. Like that, I'm down.
I'm waiting on that side to give me a little fucking.
She getting to that area I was about to tell you into, so I want to see how she reacts. I want to see how she react. The high of the 1 hour. Let's see. Honestly, I mean, right now I'm just trading my stop loss. I got 1 micro right now running. But hold on, cause my shit says. Yeah, my shit said I was trailing that shit with 5 micros, bro. I'm bugging. I had to switch it up. It's a good win today. But man, like, hey, bro, you want the retracement? Hold on. Let me see how. Hold on. Look at that right there. Let me highlight. No, not that one. I'll be looking in the 5-minute. Yeah, bro, we getting a retracement of that 5. Yo, hold on, bro. Yeah. Hold on. We have that on the 5-minute, bro. We just traded to and through a 5-minute, turning into inversion.
Yeah, I see that.
So look at that, bro. She dabbed right into that, bro. That's a nice move right there. It could have been not 1024, bro. She dipped into it. You know what I'm saying? Getting to that 19,909, passing the big figure mark. Yeah, look, she about to get into that high. And we still have room to fill in that inefficiency if she wants to. Okay, that 1 hour, y'all, is still getting respected, so I'm trading my stop loss for a reason. I do have some area in here. That's the reason why I have it marked here, because if it goes any lower than that, it's gonna take me out. But 96, that's awesome.
Bro, I can't wait for us to be fucking making.
That's what I'm telling you, bro. Bro, all we gotta do is find like a comfortable market that we good on, that our shit don't activate like our emotion, and then when we get better at our emotion, then we go crazy, bro. Cause I know this big. Aren't they like bigger symbols like that pays more than like NQ and shit?
I don't know. Yes, nigga, but I don't know about. Oh, like niggas be trading like oil or whatever.
Mira eso, imagínate oil, but I remember oil used to be, oil was, yo, when I seen that shit, I was like,
Niggas be trading corn and all that shit.
niggas be trading anything nowadays, bro. Everything. Alright, so now this whole area that we are into, that we're rejecting from, is high resistance. So But did we? Okay, yeah. So we ended up hitting the level that we talked about. So right now, I'm gonna move my stop loss just a little bit higher, just cause I have it at this area here. And then if she wants to expand higher, then I have a buy side at the 5,675 mark. GG. That was a good trade today. Yeah, bro. But the best trade was NASDAQ because NASDAQ, she swept down south side.
Nigga, if I would have fucking like left the trade, bro, that I was in, I would have been like,
Bro, why you not trading micros, bro?
I don't want to trade right now.
Uh-huh. Nigga, you was the one that was talking about leaving a runner.
Yeah, I could even run it. I did the two contract and shit.
Yeah. Might as well just have a 20, nigga. Like that, you take
It's
it.
not the same, nigga.
It is the same, bro.
I know, I'm the one that's talking about it, but it's like I have to see something because like also you pay a lot per contract. I mean,
Exactly.
you use a lot. You remember you get charged every contract, so that's gonna take away from your
That profit, yeah. Every time you take, every time I'm taking partial, it'll take some shares off.
Yeah.
But it's not a lot though. I'm gonna do the calculation later on. See how much is the feed. Actually, I can see it right now. Hold on. Feed with the orders. Filled decision. Okay. This shit doesn't even tell you, bro. Account summary. I mean, it doesn't really say, bro.
I'm trying my.
Yeah, it don't say. Look, now gold wants to go ahead and give like some sort of rejection lower.
Damn, gold is going down that way.
That's another thing with gold, bro. When she wants to go down, she will go down. Did she go into the at least the look at that. She just went into premium and dropped. Just went into it. Look at that, 64 points. And I would have been risking 27. So maybe like I would throw in there good. Let me see. 5. Let's see if I throw 5 times 27. About 6. Yeah, I would have threw like a 6 contract to get 64 points. That's 380. I mean, honestly, bro, like we might not see it now, but the risk management, bro, in terms of like thing, bro, it add up. That's what I'm saying. That if I would have been quicker enough to get into that position as soon as I said, yo, I'm gonna get in it to buy, I would have threw like a 10 contract. You know what I mean? Some calm shit. But the good thing is that I'm minimizing the bleed, the drawdown that I'm currently on. I said I'm coming back into the positive now because I'm in the negative right now for the challenge.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It was that day, bro, on Friday that we let it get the best of us. If not, I would have been up right now in the positive, bro. I could have left Friday the account at 50K and $50,085, but I let my emotion get the best of me by me trying to trade past my trading time. But I was trading like around DK 11 and shit, but I was bugging. Coming back into that area. I mean, the only inefficiency I would probably see her, go crazy on It's the one at 3 p.m. from yesterday. But that's the thing too. If there's a job that I get and it's in the morning, then I'll be trading gold in the nighttime. Yeah, gold gave us one small move, one more at 10:31 nicely. And I want to see her at least drop into like the 8:31 from today, like the inefficiency. Nice move. Nice move. Yeah. I like how she's moving down, especially after taking out buy side.
What are you talking about? You talking about gold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But is that all niggas missing is risk management, bro. Cause tú puedes ver todos los videos que yo he puesto, loco, hasta Sunday recap. Todo los levels que yo he hablado, que I want to see it get hit, ellos van and get hit.
Yeah.
It's just my risk management, bro. It's not allowing me to do that, bro. I'm out here taking 10 micros and not calculating my risk. I'm out here risking like 250, no stop loss, no nothing. That's why I switched to trading views so it can help, bro. Tú sabes, bro. Just like when you get into a flunk when you playing baseball, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta switch up. You gotta switch up my shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, go front in the plate, go back in the plate, go side in the plate, go inner, choke the bat, make it longer. You know what I mean? Currently, right now, I'm looking at buy side right now for ES. I'm trading my stop loss still. I'm up 113.6 right now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Making that money.
I told you it's gonna stop me out. Once I hit the 500, if it gets to the $500, it's gonna stop me out automatically. It just moved. I'm trading my stop loss. I put it to the low of the inefficiency. Yeah, it wasn't the best entry, but now next time I know how to be quicker to get into the move. Cause I was calculating the move.
Yeah, you can't hesitate too much. Sometimes that shit is fucking.
Now I was calculating the move. That's what I was doing. Like, I was trying to figure out how many micros was to 160, and I put the 5, which came out to $153. Just in case I wanted to add on to more positions, then I'll do that. That's what I'm saying. Like, if I want to add into more positions, I would have done it. So 2 of them, then I would have been like a good $300, and it would have been like basically me being up $1,000, so $600. The risk management. Like, how much you risk per trade?
I'm 51,000.
Oh, see that? That's it.
I'm at 51,000.
51 kilos. Yes, sirski, nigga.
Right now I'm doing 2 contracts. I'm risking like $600.
Alright, so next time, that's what I'm saying, bro. If you're gonna have that same energy with that 2 contract, you better have that same one the same way, nigga, going to the thing, but no rush though. You know what I mean? No rush.
Yeah, no, I'm not rushing it. I let it come back to where, cause it was gonna.
What you got in? You got in again. What you got in?
I got in again around $18.99. And I got out at $19.11.
Oof.
So like before, when she was like going like my way, I'll be rushing. No, it's leaving me. No, I was like, you know what?
Wait for that. Yeah.
So I let it. It came down enough, and I was using a FBG on the. I use like a 1-minute FBG, and I let it.
Let that bit go. Simon.
Like my support real quick. But look, I got a right at the time.
Right on time, nigga.
1911, that shit fucking right there.
Yeah, I'm trailing my shit right now.
So right now I'm at 51,000. For the day I'm up like.
Think like what, 500? No, 600.
No, for the day I'm up 900.
Oh yeah, mierda, bro.
970.
Oh yeah, cause yesterday you made 100.
Yeah, yes, I made 100.
Yeah, like cheese. You know what I mean?
Like that's it. Like I don't want to make also too much because then they start fucking looking at your account and all that shit.
What you mean, bro? You
Remember,
good though? Cause isn't it? Did it? How much is that you could make? Like the percent consistency percent.
I think you can't make more than like um half of your account or whatever the fuck, half of what you need to like to take profit.
Nigga, you good, bro? Nigga, that's not even half, bro. Shit,
I mean, well, I don't wanna risk it. I wanna just wait.
risk it for the biscuit.
Nasdaq is not at the best thing right now tampoco.
Yeah, hoy se movió como es, bro. Like it was perfect, bro. We built that 1 hour efficiency, and it was perfect as to why she could go ahead and dive into it. Cause I know if it would have been a lot of down candles with a lot of or just one big inefficiency, then it would have been a smoother sell. But if it's like multiple inefficiency, it would have been, hitting a few. But if it's choppy, then we could dive in to see, yo, bro, she could get at this area. Bro, I'm telling you, watch that video, bro. That level I was telling you at the upper quadrant of the 1 hour, she reached right into it. Right into that, bro.
The good thing is that as soon as I get the account, I don't have to wait for anything to withdraw. I can withdraw as soon as I'm up.
Oh yeah, bro. I know that for them folks. That's how they do it.
But for here, my biggest day cannot be more than 50% of your total profit. So that's why I'm like, you know what?
Listen, that's more than Top Step.
I could go right now and go try to see if I can make a little bit more, but that'll be me being greedy,
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, mañana yo vengo. Hopefully, I'm not gonna be able to probably trade tomorrow.
Nah, yeah, don't. Tomorrow's gonna be FOMC, bro.
Yeah, probably not gonna be able to trade tomorrow. Like this Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, it's gonna be a little hard for me.
Alright, it doesn't matter. And then Friday we do got FOMC too, bro. But
I see if I can do the nighttime over there. Remember the goal?
oh yeah, también, bro. Trade gold in the nighttime, bro. So I'm telling you, night. It looked like she moves. That's why I'm like studying it, bro. I want to see what time she moves the best. Cause it looking like at nighttime she been moving a lot lately. I seen it. That's why I've been doing my back testing a lot, just to see how she does. But yeah, I gotta figure out in terms of shit, cause bro, I be throwing the salsa, bro. I be telling niggas where market's gonna go, but it's just my risk management that it was iffy. So I gotta get my shit up, my clientele, my people. Cause bro, damn bro, I'm not selling no course, bro.
What are you talking about though? What's the course about?
I said I'm not selling no course. I don't need to sell no course. That's what I'm saying, bro. If I'm selling cores, bro, imagine how I'm gonna be treating money, bro. Imagine me putting a course for like 300, and then getting that shit monthly, bro. I'm not gonna have no sentimental towards the money, like as much as getting to it, like through the market. I don't know. Still trailing my stop loss. Right now, she's getting exhausted. Right now, I'm up 350. Yeah. What you get? 49, 500. Yeah. Basically 800. I went down. But I told you, bro, my days of me going down, my biggest day was Friday last week. Everything else was just like really, really low, bro. Like, look, let me show you right now. That's another thing I like about the company that you're doing, my funded future, that it will tell you all these things that you need to know. like your what's it called, your thing. Look, for example, my first time I got the count, I made 452. Second time I made 129. The third time I lost 496. The next day I made 446. My biggest draw day was 1200, like 1002. And yesterday 133. So you see my risk management where it's going. Like I'm not risking too much. I'm not overdoing it because it's not. I'm not. That's not what my mind is at. I'm just trying to, bro. That's all niggas need, bro. We only need risk management. We get risk management, bro, and we valid.
That's what we're failing at, like not following our plan and not.
But I'm telling you, bro. What, bro? Imagine having TP1, TP2, and TP3, right? Your TP1 get hit, bet you move your stop loss at least half. TP2 gets hit, break even. Now, risk-free trade. Taking your partials or however you want to trade, valid. Come on now. And gold is getting to the area that I have yesterday. I was studying that I wanted to see her get into. It was 3,388. Right now, NQ and ES, they just getting exhausted. I want to see how they trade in 7 minutes. Bro, look at that's crazy. The first week I got the account, I only traded 3 times. The second week, I got it. I only traded. Let me see. I only traded 2 times this week. I'm only traded 3. Look at that. Look at that. Gold, how she moved. She took her time though, doing what she's supposed to be doing, but she did it. On the 5 minutes, she looked very good too. 5 minute, nicely, bro. Nicely. She moved basically 86 points. GG. Right into that area. After this going down, there's some nice relative equal lows she could reach into. Nice lows. Bro, honestly, bro, se me movió el feeling de trying to rush. That's why I'm just like, yo, bro, I'm missing something, but I don't know what it is. And then it clicked. Risk management. That's all, bro. Risk management is it for us, bro.
Yeah, look at that. That shit went down, and then another.
Bro, how many? Let me see how much she went up today for NASDAQ. Mira esa bárbara, loco. 566 ticks and 141 points, bro. Que bestia, loco.
Yeah, what are you talking about? We went up
From 10.
almost 200 points.
Nah, bro, from 10, the 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For NASDAQ, from the 10 a.m. candle that was formed, and then the retracement around 10:03.
I'm talking about the 10 a.m. is at 741. Right now, we're gonna be almost it's 190 points. However,
But, bro, I think you're doing the math wrong. Unless you're looking at NQ and NASDAQ. I mean, unless the shit that you're looking at is different, bro. I'm looking at it right now. 154 and 616 from 10:03 in the 1 minute. That little thing right there, pocket there. I want to see. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see that in 3 minutes. I want to see that buy side get hit, bro. I'm gonna move my stop loss more, trailing it. No runner, That's what I'm gonna get adapted to, leaving the runner, bro. now running, my boy. But I gotta go watch a baseball game, bro.
Baseball game?
Yeah, I'm a little mad, bro. I never seen Soto. I never seen Soto play, even when he was in the Yankees. Did you get to see him?
No.
Yeah, bro, we gotta book a ticket. I thought basketball, bro. You don't see how basketball right now is playing out? Sabe. It was a good trading day today. Very good, very good. Yo, ayer yo estaba caminando, bro. And por mi casa, there's like a puddle, so you gotta be careful because car passed by and it was splashing with water. Bro, un tipo, bro. I don't know if he, or girl, whoever it was, I don't know if they did it on purpose, bro. Drove by, bro, and a whole chunk of water. Literally on me, bro. I was like, nah. Yeah, that was tight. Bro, you know what's crazy too, bro? Yesterday, I went on. Hold on, I'm gonna mute this shit, cause I want. Yo, bro. Go crazy. Alright, so as soon as we go back into the 1050, if it goes back to the 1050 series, then I definitely will exit manually. Well, not manually, but like put my shit even tighter. If not, let her get hit. Pull up with a stick. It didn't hit. Pull up with a stick. Por lo menos Go movió, se movió ahí más o menos, loco. But I know if she moves more. Now, you know what's crazy that I'm coming up with some shit right now? Go moves more during agent session, right? For the simple fact that she's not competing with NASDAQ and ES, especially how they've been trading lately. So she has more room and she can move more freely, knowing so that those pairs don't move quite during the agent session. Like NQ and ES, they don't move crazy. They don't move that much in agent session. So that's why it's perfect for her to be moving during like the agent session. That's fire. Alright, so right now, putting my thing here, because if she gets into that, then I'll be trailing my stop loss even higher. Now, the most people that I actually have me watching was like 30. And that's wild, bro. Having 30 people watching, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, so I ended up moving my stop low higher below the lows. So at this point, if we reject from this 1050 SIBI lower, then it's okay. Because we still fidgeting around the 1 hour SIBI. Now, if she does push through through there, then, you know, she could potentially even be going after that high on the buy side.
Yeah, it doesn't she wants to go back.
I mean, if you look at it, she's getting exhausted too, going up a little bit at this point, because we didn't have too much news, bro.
She said this is too much.
Yeah, that much news going on. Yeah, tomorrow I'm not trading, so I gotta do the best of my ability to get up, so I can do some push-ups and abs. Cause that's what I've been wanting to do on days I don't trade. I got some push-ups and shit like that. Alright, so stop loss about to get hit, or maybe not. Who knows? Oye, esta guitarrita ahí, loco. ¿Ah?
I see.
La guitarra. La guitarrita. My guy's up a K, you heard? Get him. Give him that count. Bro, $500 a day too, bro, to get another account? Manito. GG. GG. Bro, what? You could leave a nice buffer. You know what I'm saying? Because in 5 days, bro, shit. I mean, 1K in your pocket, and if you want to get ahead, if you want to start your own personal account, you do that. I'm low-key trying to figure out, cause I know there's a spot where you could use multiple account even from different area and just unite them together. But that shit's like that shit like $200
What?
to do that shit.
You can do that shit for free in TraderMate.
Not me putting two different platforms together. I can't do that.
Yeah, nigga, as long as it's TraderMate and you have the same login.
I don't have the same login.
Probably not.
Nah, they all different. Okay, so as y'all can see, we traded to and through here. I want to see this one get traded to and through, so we can have another chance to see if we can reach for that buy side. We retrace him back. I don't got the second interval, so we would have been able to see. But Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm looking at now at the 1049 Sibi. That's like the last one of that area that we going into. Move my stop loss a little more. Wait, let me see. The weather. Yeah. But it's gonna stop. No, I'm taking my umbrella, bro, just in case. Yeah, I'm gonna take my umbrella, bro. You don't know what type of shit can be going on. Yo, I got 2 more minutes. After these 2 minutes happen, I'm clocking now. I'm closing all trades. Closing all trades, and I gotta give this nigga food. Facts, bro. And then we have 40 minutes or so to chill. See what's the message that we got from the Holy Bible. It says, "Why, my soul, are you downcast? Why so disturbed within me? Put your hope in God, for I will yet praise him, my Savior, my Lord." Oh, that's a good one. Psalm chapter 42, verse 11. GG. Message of the day. Alright, y'all. Now I'm gonna trail my stop loss very aggressively. What is the, yeah. Tu sabes, put in the message of the day, spreading the energy. Yo, day 108, my boy, of not smoking. Tu sabes, loco! Last time I told you I stopped smoking, I went back into it. Remember? You know, hey, you back? Yo, like, yeah, bro. I was wild because I had no tinted window, bro, and I was driving for my dog. Like, I was gonna blame you. I'm gonna be like, yo, this is my boy car. Alright, so I gotta post the message of the day. I gotta change some of my shit. I gotta put that trade now. NQxES and gold. Shift knob. Everybody is fixing their body, but nobody is fixing their soul. Off. Nah, that's different. Hold on, bro. We're gonna add that to the story, gang. Everybody fixing their body, but nobody's fixing their soul. Oye? Now that right there, that is soul ripping. That will rip your soul. He said, what? Yep, exactly how it sounds. Nobody's doing what they're supposed to be doing. Yeah, what's up with this, bro? ¿Qué música le pongo aquí? Vamos a ponerle Mercy. Here we gonna do that. Message of the day, we do that in there. Nah, we're gonna put the message of the day. Message of the day. Put that. La musiquita ahí. Gotta throw these positive shit out there, bro. Positive energy. Putting up these messages. Add to the story. Today. And let's throw that message of the day on YouTube. Yo, they called me for a job interview too yesterday, bro. Another one, but this one is not. This one is not. This is not best. It's not base pay. It's like salary, so I might dub it. It's basically financial advisor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro, but it's like selling and shit like that. I'm like, nah. I thought it was best. It's called New York Life. So I'm like, it literally just like insurance, like helping people like with financial, and then through that, me helping other, I'm learning as well. They teaching me how to do that too. But the only thing was that threw me off, but it was not base pay, bro. You know that shit messes you up. Messes you up. Yeah, right now I'm just trailing my stop loss very aggressively. I want to see if she gonna run that high. She wants to run that high. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna do my bed in the meantime. Let's see. Gotta do your bed, bro. First thing in the morning.
What?
First thing in the morning that you gotta do is do your bed. Number one. Number one. Tú no estás metido en nada, right?
No.
Yeah, I'm just watching it right now at this point. Just. like moving my stop loss aggressively. Agresivo. Now it's getting close to getting hit. Because there's nothing else below, so it's like, if she's going to go any lower than that, then that's a problem. Roja. We already filled in these here. I know, bro. I'm looking at it. I'm like, yo, what's up with you? Because now gold is going up too. Prende la hoga. My shit about to get hit. Huh?
I want to take at least my first payout.
Alright, yo. Stop loss got hit. We done. Nice 365 for the day. GG. GG. Make sure we don't got nothing.
Because if I could get this account, I mean, when I get this account, like I said, I want to get my first payout before I even add another 2 or 3 accounts. Have that same company buy me the other accounts, so I could just connect it together.
Oh, you're gonna use that leverage?
Claro.
No.
Use that. Trade my funded to trade my other ones. Then I see if I get payouts for those 2. Then I like up to 5. And then maybe I'll do like Apex and everything. So like if I get my like have a what's it called? Have like a certain amount of money I'm looking for every single day in the accounts. And if I hit that, then I use like another account.
Are you trying to max it out? Talking about that, they got like an 80% sale right now that you send the email.
Yeah, Apex, yeah.
I know when they be having that 90%, people go crazy. They like, yo, he's at 50%? I mean 90%? Give me that. Bueno, mi loco, te voy a dejar because I gotta go in and feed the cat, and I gotta close out here. Gotta close the shop. Bro. Take it easy. Take it easy. Yo. So done for the day. Went long today after opening discount. The best one was NASDAQ, but we just letting NASDAQ go. Just letting it do her thing. Because again, I'm trying to figure out what works best for me. So right now we're just sticking with gold and ES, learning how gold move. Lately I've been seeing that gold, she moves a lot during the agent session, so seeing how that goes. But made 300 today, so getting the account back in positive. So made about 365 today, so GG's. Alright, so I'm going to read you guys the message of the day. It says, our nature's state of being is joy. It takes so much energy to think negative thoughts, to speak negative words, and to feel miserable. The easy path is good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Take the easy path. That's a good one. Alright, so as always, I'm going to highlight you guys to stay safe, pop peace. Proper preparation prevent poor performance. Like my mama always say, be the first one to be in the room and the last one to leave. Apply that to everything you guys do in life. don't rush, stay patient, because I'm taking that advice. Not in terms of risk management, you know, really going hard with that, because even though right now I might not see it as a growth, later on I'm gonna see it, you know, because risk management is what's gonna help us stay in the game long, and it's gonna help us become consistent. So as always, I'm gonna holler at you guys. Y'all stay safe, y'all stay blessed. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna see you guys on Thursday, because I'm not trading. I'm not trading tomorrow, right? It's FOMC, and I'm not trading Friday. So it's looking like we have one more trading day for the week today, and that's about it. So I'm gonna holler at you guys. Stay safe. Love y'all. Peace.